Alright guys, today I'm coming to you from my kitchen. I don't normally do product reviews, it's not normally what our channel is about. However, I do feel pretty strongly about this. We just got our Imperfect Produce delivery. We've been doing this for about a year, and I don't remember where I first found out about it, maybe on Facebook, but I'm really happy with it, to be honest with you. If you're not familiar with Imperfect Produce, it's a company that basically figured out that a vast percentage of the produce grown in the United States ended up in landfill because it either was too big, too small, too ugly, too much in surplus, just wasn't consistent enough of a product to be sold to the supermarket. So it was essentially going to waste. This company figured out that they could buy that from the farmers at a low price and then resell it and make a profit and also keep it out of the landfill, which is great. I think, you know, if a company makes something easy to do as far as being eco-friendly, then it's an easy thing to do. This makes it really simple to do the right thing. So, I mean, by their estimate, I've been doing this a little over a year, and I just checked today, and apparently we've saved, according to their estimate, we've saved 613 pounds of produce from going to landfill. We've saved 24,000 gallons of water and over 2,000 pounds of CO2 from going into the air. So that's a great bonus. What I like about it though is it's delivered once a week to your house. You can do every other week if you like. They have different sizes of boxes. I will put a promo code in the description below that if you click it, I believe you get $10 off your first box, and you could literally sign up, get your $10 off your box, and then cancel right away. So it's a very low introductory price to try this out. The beauty of this product is that they deliver it to your house. I want to say it's maybe about the same price, but probably a little bit cheaper than what you would pay at a grocery store. There is a delivery fee, but I think all in all you end up making out. So they do have a lot of different produce. It varies all the time depending on what's in season. They will tell you in the description of the produce why they have it. Either it's got scarring, it's misshapen, it's too large, it's too small. I once got a zucchini the size of my forearm. So you know, it's still fresh. There's nothing wrong with it at all. It just maybe isn't the best looking produce. It's not pretty enough to go to market, but it's perfectly fine. So we just got our box. Let's take a look and see what we got. They do have things other than produce as well. When I first signed up, most of what they had was produce. They had a little bit of coffee and some snacks. Now they do have quite a few items that are not just produce. So I feel like it's just a matter of time before they eventually end up picking up dairy as well and becoming just a grocery delivery site. So this week, as a matter of fact, most of what they had was not produce. So let's take a look and see what we got here. Some Dave's Killer Bread Organic English Muffins. These I'm really curious about. They are organic dried carrot sticks. I saw these at the supermarket a couple weeks ago, and I want to say they were maybe $5, and these were about $4, so a little bit of a savings there, and an easy way to try them out. I also got some stone ground artisanal mustard. They apparently are pairing up with Gray's, and they got some Sriracha Crunch snacks, which we also subscribe to Gray's. We like Gray's a lot. And then on to the produce, I got a nice bundle of asparagus, small bundle of kale, which I hate the taste of kale, but I put it in smoothies because it is so good for you. A couple of limes, a few apples, which I would juggle for you, but I would fail horribly and probably bruise the apples, and nobody wants to see that. And honestly, these apples, you know, I'm gonna come show the camera. These apples are perfectly fine. There's not a thing wrong with these at all. They just really must be surplus. I don't see any bruising. They look like a good shape. So I really don't see an issue with these apples even a little bit. They're not even ugly. They literally just probably had a surplus. Oh, one more lime I missed. Again, these limes, perfectly fine. These look exactly like a lime that I buy in the grocery store. And then a mess load of tangerines or tangelos or some sort of small orange citrus fruit, which we've got these in the past couple of weeks. They keep coming consistently and they've been delicious. And there's one on the floor. We'll wash this little guy off later. So for everything here, I want to say it was $21 and then $5 delivery. So this is about $26. And considering that these alone were like $5 and these were like $4 and that was $1 and this is $4, I feel like that's pretty good value. And I'm happy with it. We're going to keep doing this. I mean, you can get a medium box, a large box. I believe it's starting Wednesday. You can customize, starting Thursday, I can customize my box, which will be delivered the following Wednesday. You have to customize it by Sunday evening. But it's not that difficult and it helps me meal plan. I just think about what groceries what produce I'm going to have the next week and maybe buy meats to go with it. So yeah, honestly, I can't be happier. I think this is a great service. We're not ones to go in for subscription services for the most part, but I think this is kind of a no-brainer. It's a nice way to get fresh produce in your house. Again, like I said, there'll be a link in the description below. That will give you $10 off your first box. So you sign up, get $10 off the box, you'll probably be happy with it. And if you're not, just cancel. No big deal.